Okay, in the last tutorial, we've set up our background image on Photoshop that links directly and is the same measurement to our camera tutorial LCD screen. Now what we want to do is we'll go onto Google and we're just going to find some camera icons. And we just want to find a collection of images that we can use. Some nice clear images. Like here. So the good thing about this is even though we can't use these ones in the middle because it's got iStock, an iStock image over the top, we can still use a lot of these along the top and the bottom. That'll keep it nice and neat. So I'll just grab that, I'll save it, save the image. And while I'm at Google, I'll also find a background for it. So it's going to be a bit of an action shot. And just save that onto my desktop as well. Alright, so once I've got the images, the background image that I'm happy with and the camera icons that I can use, alright, the first thing I need to do is open them. So if I go open, onto my desktop I'm going to get the stock illustration, and I'm also going to open up our background image. Okay, that image is fairly small, so you want to try and get an image which is high quality, a larger image that won't pixelate so much. We'll just see how this one goes. So if I copy and paste that on, alright, so what I've done is I've just gotten this select tool, rectangular select tool, gone over my whole job. I've just gone edit, copy, go into my tutorial camera and go edit paste. Alright, as you can see here it doesn't quite match up with the size. So if I go edit, I'm on that layer. If I go edit, free transform, hold the shift key and I can drag that up to the corner, drag that back down to that corner, and then I can drag it across and make sure it covers the whole amount. Once you're happy with it, you hit the tick tool. So it's a little bit grainy, so obviously I want to get something that would be a lot more high quality image. As you can see, the small images mean that your end result will be a lot more pixelated and grainy, so you don't want to have that. Next thing I want to do is select a few of these that I can put in there, just to make it look like an authentic digital camera screen. So to do that I'm going to use the select tool again, rectangle select tool. Alright, I'm going to grab these three images here, and then I'm going to go edit, image, crop. Alright, so what I want to do is I want to end up selecting just the black lines for me to copy and paste. So to do that, I need to grab the magic wand. So if it's not on your left hand, if you can't see it here, you need to hold your left mouse and then select the magic wand. Select anywhere in the white. However, that is just selecting the white surface. What I want to do is go select, inverse, and now we have all the black. Again, we're just going to edit copy, go back to our LCD screen, edit paste. If you find those are too large, those icons, you can go edit, free transform, make them a bit smaller, put them up the top. Once you're happy with it, hit OK. Alright, when you go back to your icons again, you just go step backwards, step backwards, step backwards. One more. And now you have the ability, if you go select, deselect, you have the ability to grab any other icons that you want. Okay, what else we can do besides we can put icons around the sides of our screen? But what we can do is we can also put a little target crosshair in the middle. So to do that, if you drag down, okay, from the ruler halfway, so it was 70 up, sorry, it was 40 up, so we want to make that 20, so I'll just grab this again and make it 20. And now we also want to drag it from the right hand side and bring it across to 35, which is halfway. If you don't have these rulers, you can just hit View, Rulers, and then you want to right click and make them millimeters. Once you have these little guidelines here, you can grab your straight line tool. We can fill it maybe a color that will stand out, like a red. We'll make the point a little bit bigger, and we want a solid line. Alright, so I'm just going to run it straight up and run it straight across. Once I'm happy with that, I can grab my lines again and put them back. Alright, so after you insert all the camera icons that you want, you make it look like a really good digital camera. You'll go File, Save As, and we want to make it a JPEG image. Wherever your location is, if you need to drop that down to find the exact location. Okay, Tutorial Camera LCD, hit Save. What I want to do is make it maximum quality, so you use this scroller bar to go all the way to the right hand side. Quality is maximum, okay. And then you've got your saved image.